me, it started with a rusty old red piece of junk I found behind my studio. I don't remember why I did it, but I put my head inside this thing, jumped at a certain angle near a wall, and boom! I flew like 150 feet. I started looking for other stuff like this, other anomalies. My favorites were collision testing and speed running. Myself across the field. My neighbors kind of hated it though. I was down there for a week, looking to shave a quarter-second off between the bus stop and Admiralty, which was like a half-mile away. One day, I hit my jump at the wrong angle and then go head first through what should have been like a concrete wall. Only it wasn't. I passed right through it. I landed in this tiny little box of a room. I could barely stand up in it. Right away, it doesn't feel like it's supposed to. 3 of the walls looked right, but one of them was just mesh and grid pattern, like somebody hadn't finished it.
Like 2 seconds ago? Ask Dad?
Hey. started going back to the dice constantly. Rolling, thinking about strength, and boom, I was this bruiser guy who could punch through a wall. Focus on gravity, and I'm some kind of soldier cat thing running on the ceiling. But it was always temporary. It would only last as long as I could focus on it. So I started focusing more and more. Every path is different. What I can say is this. Stop playing the game how it's meant to be played. Hey, I see you down there. Okay, you're pretty good, but you're still a player. And a player won't survive the ascent. Even if you did, I don't need another player. What I need is a DM, a creator, a builder. Here, take this body log, go fill it with avatars, come back.